All right, we have our first Angular website built and deployed, and we're doing a lot of really cool stuff, and I hope this course was helpful. We've gone ahead and used the Angular CLI to create brand new Angular projects. We've had the Angular CLI handle routing for us. We've let it process our SAS files for us. We've learned a little bit about TypeScript and transpiling and ES6 classes. We've built our own components. We've learned about Angular modules. We've learned about Angular services. And let's put Angular in front of that. Overall, I think building with Angular is a very great process because of the conventions and tooling that it sets forth. Modules help us organize our application. Components let us create great compartmentalized sections of our app. We have our app header, app footer, router outlet, very easy to read there. The app routing, very easy to maneuver around here to create routes and even lazy load sections of our application. Angular services, we've used the HTTP library. We've used the routing library. We've used the forms library. So a lot of these things are built into Angular and they give us such power to build quickly. And we've also deployed to Firebase. All in all, I hope that gave you a lot of really good tools to use in your tool belt for Angular. And thanks for watching.